You are part of a campaign that will encourage mask wearing in Wood County. So tell me a little bit about masks and what are the benefits of those?
Yeah, of course. I really appreciate you asking that question, Jaden, because the way that we have sort of learned how the spread of coronavirus is really affecting people is that it's coming from particles from your mouth or your nose. So when you're talking, when you're coughing, when you're sneezing, and wearing a mask in public really ensures that you're not spreading these particles. The other problem is that we're learning sometimes up to 40% of people are actually walking around and they're asymptomatic. So they have zero symptoms, but they can still have coronavirus and they can still be spreading coronavirus. And that's why it's extremely important to wear a mask in public, and stay 6 feet apart. What we're trying to do is encourage people in Wood County as well as Lucas County and other counties around Northwest Ohio to mandate mask wearing. As I'm sure you're well aware, the governor has put in place kind of a color-coded system where different counties, based off of the level of cases that they have, fall into a level, and because of that could be mandated masks. Now, Wood County is actually a level 3, so mask wearing is now mandated in Wood County. We wanted to ensure that places in Wood County continue this mandate. We've been putting pressure on City Council in Bowling Green, and actually yesterday they just passed a mandate where now that the mask wearing is mandated, even if it stays below a level 3. I think this could be replicated in Perrysburg as well as other places throughout Wood County as well as places in Lucas County too.
How can people get involved in this mask campaign?
Yeah, of course. We have information on our website as well as through our Facebook page. So if you want to go to our website, which is just my name, it's nickrubando.com/petitions. You can learn about it there. You can also go on our Facebook page at Rubando for Congress on Facebook.
Wood County recently entered the red COVID-19 threat level. So what should people do to slow the spread of the coronavirus?
Yeah, and this is extremely important. I mean, one, wear a mask. I think that is extremely, extremely important and something easy that everyone can do. Just when you go out in public, wear a mask. But we also really have to look to the central government because right now, testing, there is actually no testing facility that is available in Wood County, which seems crazy, but it is true. And, a lot of people saying, oh, the reason that more people are testing positive is because they're having more tests. Well, at least in Wood County, that's not even true. We have people on our staff who are trying to get tested but aren't able to even get tests. They have to go up to Toledo to get a test or down to Findlay to get a test. And then even those facilities are running out of swabs. So we need to look to the federal government to ensure that they can boost testing in this area so that they can provide more tests so that people can find out safely if they have this virus.
And why do you believe people are refusing to wear masks, not just in Wood County, but in other places around the country?
Yeah, I mean, sadly, I think a lot of us, or not a lot of us in our campaign, but a lot of people around Northwest Ohio are taking their cues from the president. We did see Donald Trump wear a mask this past weekend when he went to visit a hospital, but I think that he has done a lot of damage in not wearing a mask in public on a regular basis and really discouraging mask wearing. Scientists, Dr. Fauci, all these individuals, these trusted individuals talk about how important it is to wear a mask, and we have someone like Donald Trump the leader of this nation dissuading that and kind of talking about how it's not important. So I think that's really doing a disservice to the people here in Northwest Ohio.
Should legislation be needed for something that should just be a common courtesy?
You know what? Sadly, I think it is. I mean, I would love to see people just, in their heart do what's best for their fellow man and woman. But unfortunately, that's not the case and that's not happening. So I do think that legislation is necessary to ensure the health and safety of all Ohioans.
What is your message to people in the congressional district that you're running to represent?
That we're here to protect Ohioans. We're doing everything we can to ensure that Ohioans are protected. That means that children are able to go back to school safely. That means that teachers and staffs of schools are able to feel like they can go back to work safely. That we're really sticking up for businesses in Northwest Ohio so that we can keep the economy open. That's why we want people to wear masks, so that we can keep the economy open, that we don't have to have another shutdown. We are trying to protect our community here in Northwest Ohio.